So the good folks over at Casetify were kind enough to send over some cases for the S23 Ultra, and I'm really excited to take a look as this is my first time ever trying out any Casetify case. So you guys already know how we do over here on the channel. We're going to get in depth and test out what Casetify is bringing to the table. This is the Galaxy S23 Ultra Case Journey, Casetify. All right, so getting right into it, you can see we got this pretty dope Casetify boxing. Now, I'm pretty sure if you buy a case normally off their channel, you're not going to get a box like this. Shout out to them again for putting together a pretty dope reviewer kit. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up so y'all can see what's inside. So already front and center, we got this utility strap, and they obviously, give you, one here so that way you can kind of test it out, let you guys know what's going on there. So pretty much you're able to take one of the ends of the case, lock it in with this little clip here. That way you don't have to worry about it, falling off or anything like that in case you want to wear your phone around your neck or something of that nature. So pretty dope that they included this for me to check out. So I'll definitely be checking that out. Now we got 3 cases here, and I do have 2 other ones that I'm also going to pull out. So let me go ahead and get all the cases out, and then I'll be right back and we can go ahead and start taking a look at them. Right, so I'm really feeling like a kid on Christmas, man. They literally came out with everything. Really feeling it. And what I'm loving is like on a lot of these cases, it's like textured. Like it's not just printed on the case. Well, it is printed on the case, but it's kind of hard to explain, but it's like actually like a textured feel. This is really dope. Like I'm really feeling this, man. So let's go ahead. We'll start off with this one just because it kind of stuck out to me. And this one is kind of like the Zero case from Spigen, where they kind of show you the internals of the S23 Ultra. And I think that that's pretty dope. So we're kind of going to use this one as like the fit test because all these cases are obviously going to fit the same. So you got your fit here. Let's go ahead and move these up just a bit so they're not in the way. Now, right off the bat, I can already see some nice lip protection there. I'm going to try to actually move these off to the side so we can get the camera to focus for y'all. But you can kind of see that lip there at the bottom and then the lip there at the top. Some good, nice lip protection there. Sides, they do come up over the width of the sides, and I really do like that. So it keeps those nice aluminum rails protected. Not too big of a fan when the cases don't come up the full length of the side. But anyway, testing out these buttons that launched me into the camera. Super tactile, super clicky. Volume buttons, absolutely fantastic. No, I don't want to go to the previous song. Super dope case. Top, you got a little microphone cut out right there. There's the bottom with that nice open wide port for the Type-C. So if you want to use like those third-party cables or anything like that, you can definitely go ahead and do so. You got your S Pen silo here. Let's try to see if we can get that out. And I always say, if I can get out the S Pen without having any nails, you all aren't going to have any issues with getting that S Pen out. Now let's go ahead and finally take it over to the back, and you can see that those cameras are recessed in there. They're not sticking out or protruding, so when you sit it down on a flat surface, there's absolutely no rock with this case whatsoever. Perfectly designed for a note style device with the S Pen, so you can draw without any wobble. So good there. And then we'll just kind of call out the nice little print on the back. So it's kind of showing you all of the internals here for the S23 Ultra. Absolutely fire in my opinion, man, but definitely a dope case from Casetify. Only thing that I would ask for them to add going forward for their Android cases, and I know it's going to be a little bit tougher to do it, but please, MagSafe compatibility, especially with Qi 2 right around the corner, bringing that MagSafe support natively for Android devices. Please make sure we get some MagSafe compatibility here on these cases going forward. So let me move that one off to the side because there's one more that I really wanted to take a look at. Oh, turn on my flashlight by accident. And that's this one right here. Because this one, if y'all didn't happen to notice, actually has a little bit of extra specialness to it. I keep turning my flashlight on. And that is my government. And it's a little hard to see there just because of the light with the camera. But yep, for those that don't know, Ike's name is Isaiah. Don't be trying to Google me or search me. But yeah, Isaiah. So I think that that's a really dope touch, man. This case feels absolutely fantastic. It is a clear case, but it is kind of like frosted a bit, so it's not just like straight up. At least I think that this is frosted. Let me pull it off and double check. Oh no, this is just pure clear case. My bad. It's the matte from the phone itself. So yeah, super dope case. Really, really like it. Nice and grippy. Don't have to worry about anything in terms of slipping out your hands. Ports and everything is going to be exactly the same, but really, really filling this case line up from Casetify. Also keep in mind, they do have screen protectors and a couple of other accessories. This is a custom, case. And obviously with them showing this, I can let y'all know any type of custom print and things like that that you may want for your device, Casetify has some type of option for it. They also have some collabs with different artists and things of that nature. So definitely go and give them a look. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to not only the Casetify webpage, but there will also be a nice little discount code. So if you do decide to go ahead and pick up a Casetify case, use that discount code. That way you can save yourself some money, and you're not spending full price, for these cases. But definitely give them a look. I'm really feeling what Casetify has, and what they're bringing to the table. And it even has like a little kind of micro dotted pattern. Let me try to see if I can get that. It kind of looks like lint, but it's like little micro paint splatter. I like that. That's pretty clean. And then on the side, you can see, try to get that in focus for y'all. There we go. This case is made from recycled phone cases. So if you care about the environment, you're one of those people. Not saying that with any hostility, obviously, but if you're one of those people, who care about that sort of thing, Caseology has you covered. So special shout out to them again for sending over some cases for review. Thanks again, Casetify. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. Again, show them some love. I'm gonna leave that link in the description page. But as always, this is Ike's Tech Talk. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.